Welcome to science class, students. Today we are going to start block 8 solutions, LP1 types of solutions. So our aim is to classify solutions as solid liquid, liquid liquid and liquid gas. What are the resources required? Your Exceed content book, your notebook, S1 of volume book, 1 tablespoon of mud, baking soda, ink, cooking oil, salt and 5 tumblers. See, these resources are easily available at your home. Fine. So you can keep this with you. Now what are the keywords? What two new things we are going to learn today? That is solution and mixture. What happens when we dissolve baking soda, sugar, mud, milk, oil in water? Which of these dissolve in water? Which ones do not? How is a mixture of sugar and milk in water different from mud and oil in water? Children, you have to pause your video here and just think about these questions and then only look after it. See, some solids, liquids and gases dissolve in water while others do not. Sugar and milk dissolve in water while mud and oil do not. See, this activity you have to try at home. Take 5 glasses, that is tumblers. Add 1 spoonful of mud to the first, baking soda to the second tumbler, ink to the third tumbler, cooking oil to the fourth and salt to the fifth. Stir the mixtures gently. Allow them to stand for 2 minutes. Observe what happens. In your notebooks, write which of these mixtures can be called solutions. Why? Classify the solutions in the way you want. Okay. Which substance is dissolved in water? Baking soda, ink and salt dissolved in water, while mud and cooking oil did not. Okay, this will be your observation. Which ones will be called solutions? Why? We can call mixtures of baking soda, salt and ink in water solutions because the components dissolve in each other. Then what types of solutions did we make and how are they different from each other? We made here 2 types of solutions. One of solids, that is baking soda plus salt. Another of liquid, that is ink plus water. See, here I have classified basically into 3 types of solutions. What is solution? Basically the mixture in which components dissolve in each other. First one is solid liquid, second is liquid liquid, third is gas liquid. These are the mixtures. I'll show you the examples also. Example of solid liquid mixture is salt and water. Here salt is solid and your water is liquid. Then liquid liquid, here your milk is liquid and water is also liquid, so milk and water. Then next is gas liquid. Here oxygen, it dissolves in water. This you can see whenever you take a glass of water, in that water oxygen and water is already dissolved. Okay. So now what is the significance of solutions in our daily life? This is very important. What are the role of these solutions? See, solutions play an important role in our lives. For example, the digested food in our body is carried from one part to the another as a solution. This is one example which I have given. Next example is plants absorb minerals from soil as solution. So now you can see there are various examples like this. You can also find some more examples and note down in your copies. What is the significance of solution? Okay. Some more examples, if you will search, you will definitely get. Then after watching this video, you have to finish your S1 given in your application book, and please do PQs, that is practice questions 1, 2, 3 from Exceed content book, and watch this video so as to get the complete idea of solutions and mixtures. Okay, thank you children.